Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Imovie and creating a new movie. This gets you into the timeline quickly. Import your footage from photos or files and select only the best takes so you avoid clutter. Once imported, drag clips into the timeline in the order you want. This establishes your narrative flow. Make sure to zoom the timeline for finer control because precise placement early saves time later. Once done, scrub through playback to confirm your rough assembly is cohesive before moving on. Now you refine each clip. Tap a clip, drag the yellow handles to trim or split where you need a cut. Use transitions between clips to smooth pace and adjust speed for emphasis, slow for drama, faster for energy. Balance audio levels so dialogue stays readable and add a filter or stabilization to polish shaky shots. Also use the Ken Burns effect on stills when you want motion. Make sure to review playback after changes to ensure timing and audio feel natural. Finish by adding titles, background music, and a final audio mix so levels are consistent across the whole project. When ready, tap Share and select Export File with the resolution you need, 720p, 1080p, or 4K, because resolution affects file size and upload time. If export fails, don't panic. Free up storage, restart your iPad, or export at a lower resolution. These steps fix most issues. Finally, preview the exported file to confirm quality before you upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.